Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to add friends in Duolingo. So to do that, let's head over to Duolingo first. So once in there, just head over to it and now go tap on continue and tap on continue, tap on continue and continue. So it's gonna start up with the video lesson. So once it's done, you can find your emoji in here, the button, and here you will find the option of add friends. And here tap on add friends, and here you can find your friend suggestions in here. And in here you can follow people and share your follow link from here. You can copy it and then share it with people. So yeah, this is how you can just add friends on Duolingo. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.